Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Localsend app. So first thing is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom, search bar at the top, and search for Localsend and tap on the Localsend and tap on install over here. And now just simply wait for it to be installed into your device. Now once it is installed, tap on open. Now, from here, you should be able to have two options. You could either receive, you could either send. You should be able to see here all of your nearby devices. So I have my Windows over here. So I could just simply tap on it. And from here, I could just simply select a file at the top or media, depending on your preferences. And let's say I want to go for media and tap on allow. And now, let's say I want to send our logo as an example over here, as you can see. And you can just simply tap on the nearby devices, which is my computer. So tap on it. And from here, you will be able to send